Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something really simple. Barbecue chicken legs. So I have already sprayed my crock pot, and this is a big family pack. I think there's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 8 to 10 pieces in here. I'm going to just do the whole pack. And I'm going to put a little bit of water in the bottom. And it's just enough to cover the bottom. And then I'm going to take some seasoned salt and just sprinkle. You could probably do any seasoning that you would like. Onion powder would also be a good one. I'm gonna get some onion powder real quick. We're gonna put some of that on there too. Pepper to taste, however you want to do it. And I like onion powder, so I'm gonna sprinkle that on there too because it just helps with the flavor. Okay, that's all. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my barbecue sauce over everything. And then I'm gonna just cook this on low until the chicken is done. It's usually about 4 or 5 hours, something like that. With it being chicken legs, it shouldn't take too long. And that's it. Put some sides with it, and we got some barbecue chicken. All right, I'll see you back here this afternoon when this is done. Hey y'all, this is the finished product. After about 5 hours, I went ahead and turned the crock pot off, and I drained all the liquid off, and then I recoated it with some more barbecue sauce. You can do that or you don't have to, it just depends. Some people like lots of sauce, some people don't. But here's the finished product. I did pair it with some pasta salad and some deviled eggs and a roll. But it's a really quick meal, and the crock pot is always your friend because it gets everything cooked and ready for you. And all you have to do is add your sides and you're ready for dinner. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a crock pot recipe. This is called pickle pot roast. So you need to go ahead and get you your crock pot out. And you're gonna need a 3 to 4 pound chuck roast. I tried to get as close to 3 pounds as I could. And go ahead, spray your insert, put the meat in the bottom, and then we're going to add all these other little goodies in here. You need your brown gravy mix, if I can get this open. And it'll be fine because it's going to all mix in together. It's going to be fine. Packet of ranch seasoning. I make my own, so I'm going to just put in a few tablespoons of ranch powder. I'm going to do 3. Okay. 1 cup of little baby dill pickles. These are the ones I use. They're Mount Olive brand from Walmart. It's the only Mount Olive brand that I typically use unless I use the dill chips. But you're going to want these for this. And then I've got another jar of pickle juice. Here. Let's put this down. Cup of pickle juice. I'll wipe my hands off real quick. Okay. And I've got some cloves of garlic left in this jar. And so I'm going to use those. You can use as many as you want. I'm just going to put all these in here. So that was 2, 4, 5, 6. And they were little tiny ones. Okay. And we're going to put some dill weed in this. So, calls for a tablespoon. I am about out. And I use this quite a bit. So I'm just going to put a tablespoon in there. But the recipe says that you can use more than that. So you can, you know, keep that in mind when you do it. Alright, so we're going to cook this on low for 8 to 10 hours. Because I'm starting late, I started at 10 this morning. I'm going to cook it on high for a little while. And then I'm going to switch over to low. But you're going to cook this on low for 8 to 10 hours. You can do it in the oven. There are directions for that. And we're going to shred this when we get done. Also, halfway through, or at least, yeah, halfway through, you're going to want to turn this over because the meat will get tough. This is a chuck roast, by the way. It's always best to use a chuck roast because the fat ratio is just better. Okay, I'll see y'all back here this afternoon. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. It actually tastes great. I was a little bit skeptical, but it tastes really good. It would be good with some maybe Colby slices on top, or maybe some pepper jack. I would try to do something different than cheddar. Cheddar would work in a pinch, but I think you should try a different cheese with this. It would be really good, or a really extra sharp cheddar would be good. Really easy and simple, nothing to it. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.